Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing yet again another what I eat in a day. My most requested video of all time. Every time I post a video, there's at least 2 comments. I know it's not a lot, but there's always 2 comments asking me to do it. So I'm like, hey, 2 people, I'm gonna do it for you. So if you guys are brand new on my channel, I used to be overweight and I lost 60 pounds all by myself. And I've actually maintained that weight loss for the past 6 years. That was mostly through healthy eating. I wasn't really into exercise. Like, I obviously did exercise, but I didn't really exercise. I mostly just ate really good food. I still eat like that today. I obviously am not trying to lose weight. I am trying to like lose this though. This is still here. She's still going strong. I've lost 60 pounds and she's still a little flabby. So we're working on her. I just started working out, so hopefully that'll tighten up. But if you are trying to lose weight, these are like really good, nutritiously delicious, healthy food. Like the one thing I always worried about before I started losing weight was I didn't want to give up my McDonald's. I didn't want to give up my Tim Hortons. I'm Canadian. I didn't want to give up anything because I'm like, girl, healthy food doesn't taste good, but no. It does. So I'm gonna just go throughout my whole day and we're just gonna eat. Sorry if I'm like really weird. I went to bed at 2 a.m. and if you know me, I go to bed normally at 10. I don't even know why I was up until 2 a.m. last night.
She's really close. Super close. Oh my god!
But I woke up this morning at 6, so I have less than like 4 hours of sleep, so I'm really tired. But I'm still gonna film this video. So, let's get started. So, I'm gonna be making you guys my favorite breakfast of all time. I literally look forward to waking up every single day so I can have breakfast. I'm gonna be making spinach and feta cheese omelet with a fruit salad and some meat-free sausages. Obviously substitute it for whatever sausages you like. I'm just using these ones because I really like them. So as I'm cooking today, it might seem like I'm cooking a lot of food, but that's just because I'm cooking for Francesco as well. So he gets a nice day of me just cooking all day for him. Okay. Oh, this isn't a bong, by the way. This is a improved inhaler for singers. Okay, I feel like the ingredients are pretty self-explanatory, but I'm still gonna show you anyway. So you're gonna need feta cheese, meat-free sausages, green onions, kind of optional, strawberries, some blackberries, some eggs, and some spinach. Oh god, why did I do that? Oh my god, it's vlogception. Noticing you, noticing me. Instead of butter, I always recommend to use olive oil because it's just a little bit healthier for you. So I'm gonna grab a tiny little bowl. Come on, camera. Come on. You can do it. Come on, you can focus. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that chill like there for a few minutes. I'm just gonna add a teeny bit of salt. I know it says tea, but it's actually salt. So my coffee is now finished. I'm actually really scared because it's broken. Can you guys see? I dropped it in the sink, so now it's like all cracked and there's like a crack going through. And every time I like pour hot water into there, I'm always scared it's gonna like explode. Oh my god! Okay, so for my coffee today, I'm gonna be trying this. Let's see if hazelnut milk will taste as good as the syrup. Probably not, but we can just try. This just seems so wrong. I have a Tim Hortons cup, a Starbucks cup, and I'm putting Costa coffee in it. Ew, it's brown. Gross. Or pink, I don't even know what the color that is. why I always overfill my coffee. Because subconsciously I want a lot of coffee. Maybe that's why. Oh god.
Why do you do that, Elise?
Oh. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm back now. It is lunchtime. Well, kinda, it's 2 o'clock. Took me a long time to get ready. Takes a long time to catfish y'all, okay? But look at these earrings though. They're so cute. And then I have this on. Anyways, sorry, I'm off topic. I'm gonna be making us some grilled veggie wraps. Now, I know that sounds really boring, but don't worry, girl. You know on my channel, I do not recommend boring, tasteless stuff. There's a twist. We're gonna be having some spicy hummus with it. I don't know what this is called because I threw out the package, but I think it has jalapenos in it. It's really, really good. And I'm also gonna try this with the tofu. I've never, ever attempted to fry tofu before, but there's a first for everything, so we're gonna try that. Basically, add whatever you want. You can add chicken, you can add fish. I'm sure that tastes good with shrimp. Ooh, I should have had shrimp. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get eating. Obviously, gonna need some wraps. Gonna be having some zucchini, which I don't know why they call them courgettes here. I got some peppers, got some plum tomatoes, some onions, some tofu, and some hummus. Let's start eating. If anyone's a chef, please don't judge me. I really don't know how to cut things.
You fucking donkey!
I just spent so long doing this makeup, and I'm literally about to cry that shit off. Oh, I'm like actually crying. It's making a really weird noise. What the fuck? I feel like that's really unhealthy. Look at all this oil. Maybe don't cook them in that much oil. Add a little bit of cilantro all up in here. Who does not love a little bit of cilantro? Okay, I think I had too much, so I'm gonna have this on the side. Okay, so I'm still gonna put it on because I cooked it, but I don't think I'd recommend to do that. It's kind of not that good. Okay, I'm under a lot of pressure because y'all are watching me now. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Flip it. Oh god, it's such a big wrap. Ah! Oh, I did it! I'm not gonna lie, that looks really, really good. And then on the side, I have some grapes. Oh, I forgot about these. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, Carl.
Took you long enough to get me.
My favorite part about chameleons is they just always look disappointed.
Of course, because I have to look at you.
Me and Francesco are playing Dead by Daylight. If you guys have never played this game before, you join like a group of people and you have to run away from a killer. And you can choose to either be the killer or the survivor, so I really like playing the survivor though.
She's close. You can hide if you want. She's really close. Super close. Oh my god!
Francesco, help me!
Right! Oh man!
How does she do that?
I don't know.
my god, that looks a million times better. Why did I not film like this all day? Okay, so I'm back. It's actually like 8 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna cook us some dinner. I was really hot, so I changed out into this cute little tank top situation, and I just needed to get my hair out of my face because, girl, it's really hot today. Like, I don't even know how hot it is. Let me check. It's probably not even that hot. I'm Canadian, and I live in England, so my hot is gonna be like your cold. It's 18 degrees, yeah. I'm sweating, girl. Anyways, I'm rambling on. So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna be making some fish with sweet potatoes and corn on the cob. The easiest, healthiest, but most delicious meal ever. And I know it's gonna sound so boring again. It's gonna sound boring, but trust me, it tastes really good. I think this is pretty self-explanatory, but for this dish, you're gonna need some fish. I'm choosing haddock. Have some sweet corn, and then we need some sweet potatoes. Oh, by the way, this is I think it's psoriasis on my hand, or eczema. I have it on this hand too. I don't know where it's come from. I think it could be because of stress. I don't know, but it really itches. Put on my oven to, I don't know what this is because there's no little numbers here, but I've put it to a high temperature, so I'm literally just gonna put these bad boys in and let them go. So I'm gonna wait about like 10 minutes because these bad boys take longer than everything else. So I don't know what to do for 10 minutes. How do I entertain an audience for 10 minutes? Okay, you know what? To pass the time, I'm gonna look up some jokes. I'm on my laptop if anyone's wondering. I ate a clock yesterday. That was very time consuming. A perfectionist walked into the bar. Apparently the bar wasn't high enough. Did you hear about the claustrophobic astronaut? Oh yeah, I heard about him. He just needs a little bit of space. Can you tell me why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Hey, cool, it's starting to cook, so let's get rid of this cringy part of the video and let's just continue on. I'm really sorry. Again, like always, we're gonna need some olive oil. I'm just gonna put a teeny bit of cayenne pepper. Just a teeny bit. Okay, maybe that's a lot. Gonna put a teeny bit of pepper. Some salt. Oof. Yep, those are ready. Yeah, I think this is good.
Being a tree snake, they're always going to be long and skinny, but they can get pretty long. But as I've already mentioned, they're generally nervous and grumpy and fairly venomous. As far as
it's hot, it's like hot potato. Ah! Ah! Okay, and the last step, I'm gonna take some lemons and drizzle it over. I know this looks really disgusting, you guys, but trust me, it's really good, especially this. Fish with lemon, cayenne pepper. Mwah! So for dessert, I'm gonna be having just a tiny bit, not a lot, of these little Reese's Pieces things. I try not to have this every day, but you know, sometimes you gotta just have the Reese's.